Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Jabra Evolve2 55 headphones and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this headset, not connecting to your Bluetooth, or if it's not pairing with your device or syncing to the app, or any kind of issues where it's bugging like that, you can fix a lot of these issues with this hard reset to the factory default settings. Now you're going to need to set it up again because all of the pairing history and everything will be deleted off of it, but that's really the second reason you might want to do this. If for whatever reason you just want to get a fresh start on this headset and set it up like a brand new device with all the pairing history deleted and everything, we can go ahead and do that really simply. All we need to do is make sure that this headset is on and that it is not on a call. And with it on and not on a call, we're just going to come in and we're going to press and hold the call button here and the volume up button here. We're just going to press and hold them for about 3 seconds, basically keeping an eye on the LED light. And once the LED light lights up in pink, and then you'll actually hear it make the announcement that it's resetting out of the earphone, then you can just go ahead and release it, allow it to finish resetting, and then you can go ahead and set these earphones up as a brand new headset.